Hey guys, what's up? So in this episode, I will show you how you can do advertising videos with AI of your designs for free, like this one. And of course, I'm going to show you step by step how I make this design using my software called Design Frame and the sources that I use for free, AI2, an image. You can use an image of your farm or a picture that you took for real, or you can create it with AI and the image that I use online to make this design. So make sure you stick around, give us a like, subscribe. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go to deepai.org, and I'm gonna tell AI, I click on image generator, and I'm gonna tell make me an image of a farm at sunset and it's fall season. This is the first time I do this type of design, so let's see what happens. And let's try another one. I think this one looks okay, but let's try another one. The good thing is that you can make this for free, and this one looks good, but I'm gonna try one more, or maybe one more. Okay, this one looks great. So now I'm gonna do a right click and copy image. Then I'm gonna go to design frame, and which by the way, I'm gonna leave the link below if you want to support me and buy the software. So I'm gonna click Control and V, it will paste the image. Now I'm gonna make it big, and I'm going to freeze so it doesn't move anymore. Now the next step is to capture the background, which is this. I found this logo here on Google. It's a deer, and I put a clip art and for like, like country stuff, and I'm gonna select this one, and I'm going to do a click on right click, copy image, and do the same, Control V and paste. All right, now the next step is to remove the white background of the image, convert this into a PNG. And it is very easy, especially for clip arts, black and white. Just select the image and go to where it says color keeper and select keep color, and there it is. All right, now the next step is to turn this white maybe so we can see through. Select the image and add some opacity so you can see through the image. Not a lot, but some. Okay, and you can kind of like move the image if you want to get like the sun, or part of the sun and part of the farm. I think this will be a nice combination for this image. I can make this a little bit smaller because the image is too big for the background, and I think that's good. I can probably move this a little bit to the left, and there it is. Okay, now I'm going to increase the opacity back again, select the image, and then go where it says capture, and it will capture the background, which is the image. Now let's get rid of this, and there it is. All right, so now the next step will be to make the frame black maybe. Okay, I'm gonna add some outlines, so I'm gonna do probably like white color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do white for this. So let's turn, but let's go easy on it so we don't want too much outline, and I think that's good. That looks great. All right, so now let's freeze this again. Now let's add a phrase here. I'm gonna add country life, but make sure you can turn back to white frame because the text by default is gonna be black, so you're not gonna be able to see it. But I already know it's here on the top left side of the frame, so I'm gonna make this bigger, and let's do this white so we can see the text. All right, so now let's select a nice font. I like to do this type of fonts. I think this one is nice. Okay, there's a lot of cool fonts in this software, so I'm gonna just do country life. So just type in country life, and you know what, maybe I should have, let's redo the whole thing again. It's okay, no problem. I think I just had an idea. I'm going to remake this design again. So let's unfreeze and get rid of this. You can do like the same color, but I'm gonna do the entire design this color. So I'm gonna get rid of that and go back to just maybe like a darker gray color so we can see through. So let's do again copy image. Okay, copy, paste, Control V. Now let's make it all big, and now we're gonna send this to the back. Okay, make sure you send it so the font comes to the front. Now the next step will be to select this image and turn the text into a PNG. Just go where it says text to shape, and now it is not a editable text, but it is now a PNG image. Alright, now let's do the same thing with this image. Do the same process again and paste. Go to keep color and turn this white too, so we're able to see the image. Make it a little bit smaller. Remember, it's too big, and I think that's gonna be great right there. And yeah, now let's capture the background of this, and then now the font. Select the font and capture. All right, now we should have the entire design. There it is. Okay, now it is all one color. Perfect. You can see the camouflage, it went out better than I expected, to be honest. So let's decrease the thickness of the outline because I don't want it to be way too big. If you need to add more, you can add more, but I think this would be perfect thickness. And there it is. Now we have a cool design. We can download this as a PNG, which is what I'm going to do. Now let me show you how I advertise my designs online. Alright, now I am using Sora by ChatGPT version 1, or the first version, and I'm gonna try and make a promotional video. So I'm gonna go to here, the little icon here. By the way, you can create a free account. This is free. I'm not paying anything. This is a free account. They have the Sora 2, I believe now. And now I'm gonna select this and choose from a device, and I'm going to do this one, which is the image that we just designed, and it's uploading. And now while we wait that this is uploading, I'm gonna tell make me a video of a guy at a farm wearing a black t-shirt, and the t-shirt has the graphic that I just uploaded. And let's see what happens. So let's create the image. Oops, you know what? I just noticed a mistake. It is on 69, which is, it's not gonna be right, but it's okay. Let's do it again. Okay, I just realized that mistake. I'm glad this happened. So if it happens to you, then you can correct it properly. Okay, so while it's loading, you always want to make sure it shows you here the frame. Go to 9:6, or you can go to 2:3, or you can do this one, which is the whole frame. Okay, now let's do the same. Make a video of a guy wearing a black t-shirt, and the t-shirt has the graphic that I just uploaded. Now let's see what happens. Oops, I forgot to press a B. Okay, now let's create and see what happens. Okay, while it's making my second correction, look at the first one that I messed up. It looks good, like a promotional video, but it did not selected the whole image. Okay, now let's check out this one. This one is ready. Let's see what happens. And again, this this page is free. you can use it for free. And look at this. This is the same design. This is a promotional video for my social media. So there you have it. Now you can make free videos, free images with AI, and you just need an editor. You no longer need an expensive software. Like I said, if you want to support me, you can get your software. I will leave the link below so you can edit and start selling like designs, either just the templates, or you can do like get the transfers online, use the same design that I downloaded as a PNG, buy your DTF transfers online. There's a lot of people that will send you the transfers, and all you need is a heat press so you can do the shirts at home and sell them locally or online. So there you have it. If you guys like this video, I appreciate if you guys give it a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode. And by the way, before I go, I noticed what happened, why this one is just a black t-shirt, because I forgot to tell it AI to do the guy on a farm like I did on the first video, which it could be kind of cool, but it's okay. I'm just giving you the idea. You can fix that error. Again, you can make unlimited videos. I believe they're unlimited for free. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that.